The question number 9, which is a factory produces 4 kinds of juice, flavors, banana, peach, and mango, and apple. If the cans are produced in this specific order repeatedly, what is the flavor of the 135th can? In this question, or the question of the week, which is he asked that after, for example, 300 days, what will be the day, which is the same meaning here. So here, how many flavors we have? We have banana, peach, mango, and apple, which is meaning we have 4 flavors. So we will divide 135 by 4, by the number of flavors. Okay, how to solve it in only one step without division or long division? That we know from the division or divisibility table that the number which is divisible by 4, the last 2 digits should be number from the times table of 4. So here the nearest number from 35 in 135 is 32. So 132 is divisible by 4. So the remaining, or the difference between 132 and 135, the remaining is 3. Okay. The 3, which is meaning the number of the flavor will be after 135, which is meaning the remaining, the number of the remaining is the number of the flavor after the 135 can. So the first flavor is banana, the second flavor is peach, and the third flavor, which is number 3, is mango. So the correct answer, which is mango. Okay, so here again I will repeat it again, that 135 I will divide it by 4, which is the number of flavors. Okay, how to divide 135 by 4 without long division? From divisibility rules, we know that the last 2 digits of the number should be divisible by 4. So in the times table, which is 4 and then 16 and and then 12 and then 16 and then 32. So we can put instead of 35 32. So the number will be 132. It is the nearest number from 135 to be divisible by 4. So the remaining, or the difference between 135 and 132 is 3. So the third flavor is the answer, which is the third flavor here is the mango, so it's the correct answer. The question number 10, which is 505 over 1000 and 55 over 100 and 505 over 10. How to add them with each other? We can add them by having the same denominators. So we can make them all the largest one, which is 1000. So the first one will be the same, 505 over 1000, and the second one will be we will multiply it by 10 up and down to make it 1000 down. So we will multiply by 10, so it will be 550 over 1000. And the third one we will also multiply it by 100 to make it 1000. So I will increase 2 zeros up and 2 zeros down. So in the first one it will be the same. In the second one we multiplied it by 10, and the third one we multiplied by 100 up and down. Okay, now we have the same, so we will add them all. Here we can add the ones, the tens, and so on. So 0 and 0 and 5, which is 5, 0 and 5 and 0, which is 5, 5 and 5, 10, 10 and 5, 15, and we have 1, 1 and 0, 1, and then 5. And then we multiplied by 1000, divided by 1000, which is meaning I will move the decimal 3 times to the left, because we have 3 zeros. So we will move it 3 places to the left. So it will be 51.555, which is the third choice. Okay, question number 11. which is a person has 3 friends, and he meets the first one every 3 days, and the second one every 2 days, and the third one every 5 days. How often do they meet in 60 days? First, to solve this question, that we will multiply them by each other. So I will multiply 3 by 2 by 5, which is 6 times 5, which is 30. Okay, and then I will double it by multiplying by 2. It will be 60. I can multiply it again, but here I only need in 60 days. So the common numbers between the 3 numbers, which is 30 and 60, which is meaning that they will meet each other in 2 days only, or the common days between them only 2 days. So the correct answer is C.